Welcome to Generative AI. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe because we explore the latest and greatest in artificial intelligence, deep learning, and all things cutting edge in the AI space. Today, we're diving into something truly exciting, Deepseek R2. But before we jump in, let me share a little story with you. Imagine this. It's late at night, and you're working on a complex coding project. You've hit a dead end. You need an AI assistant that doesn't just spit out generic responses, but actually understands your context, follows through with precise logic, and gives you detailed, working solutions. You try a few AI models, but none seem to get it quite right. Then you hear about Deepseek R2, an AI model designed to be smarter, faster, and more powerful than anything before. That moment of discovery feels like stumbling upon an AI goldmine, and that's what we're going to talk about today. Deepseek R2 is making waves in the AI research community, and for good reason. This model isn't just another AI upgrade, it represents a leap forward in reasoning, problem solving, and multi-turn dialogue coherence. Built on cutting-edge transformer architecture, Deepseek R2 is fine-tuned to provide more accurate responses, handle complex tasks, and even outperform other major AI models in various benchmarks. One of the biggest challenges with large language models is hallucination, generating incorrect or misleading information. Deepseek R2 addresses this with a more refined training process that enhances factual accuracy while maintaining creativity. If you've ever used an AI model and felt frustrated with its tendency to fabricate information, Deepseek R2 aims to fix that. Another game changer is its ability to handle code generation and debugging at an advanced level. Whether you're working with Python, JavaScript, C++, or even niche programming languages, Deepseek R2 provides structured, executable code with fewer errors. Imagine having an AI that can not only generate code, but also debug it in real time, explaining the logic behind every step. This is a dream for developers, engineers, and anyone looking to optimize their workflow. What sets Deepseek R2 apart is its advanced reinforcement learning techniques. The model has been trained using a mixture of supervised fine-tuning and reinforcement learning from human feedback, RLHF, ensuring it prioritizes useful, factual, and precise responses. This method significantly improves its ability to adapt to user intent, making it more reliable for both casual users and professionals. This places Deepseek R2 at the forefront of AI alignment research, ensuring that its outputs are not just intelligent, but also aligned with ethical considerations. Deepseek R2 is more than just a powerful AI model. It comes with fascinating quirks, unexpected applications, and impressive capabilities that make it stand out in the crowded world of artificial intelligence. One of the most intriguing aspects of Deepseek R2 is its ability to generate hyper-realistic narratives based on real-world data. Unlike traditional AI models that often struggle with blending creativity and factual accuracy, Deepseek R2 is designed to process massive datasets and generate stories, reports, and even predictive scenarios that feel authentic and believable. This makes it particularly useful for industries like journalism, entertainment, and historical research. Another fun fact about Deepseek R2 is its efficiency in processing highly technical and mathematical concepts. While many language models can generate basic math solutions, Deepseek R2 goes a step further by analyzing patterns in mathematical proofs, breaking down complex equations into understandable steps, and even offering alternative problem-solving methods. It can assist students, engineers, and researchers in various disciplines, from calculus and algebra to advanced quantum mechanics. One of the more amusing yet impressive features of Deepseek R2 is its ability to mimic different writing styles with uncanny accuracy. Whether you want it to write in the voice of a Shakespearean playwright, a modern-day journalist, or even a social media influencer, Deepseek R2 adapts effortlessly. This feature has led to some interesting experiments where users have asked it to rewrite famous speeches in different tones or transform serious research papers into lighthearted storytelling formats. Deepseek R2 is also highly interactive, capable of engaging in multi-turn conversations with near-human consistency. Unlike many AI models that forget previous interactions or lose track of the context, Deepseek R2 retains memory across longer conversations, making it particularly useful for chatbots, virtual assistants, and even AI-driven storytelling games. This level of coherence makes it one of the most reliable AI models for prolonged discussions, whether it's used for education, entertainment, or business applications. One lesser-known capability of Deepseek R2 is its deep understanding of niche subjects. Most AI models are trained on general knowledge, but Deepseek R2 has been fine-tuned to provide insightful analysis on specialized topics like astrophysics, ancient mythology, cryptocurrency trends, and even rare dialects. It can assist linguists in decoding languages, help historians reconstruct ancient events, and even provide predictive insights into emerging scientific theories. Beyond its technical strengths, Deepseek R2 has also made waves in the creative arts. Artists, writers, and musicians have used it as a brainstorming tool to generate new ideas, lyrics, and even detailed descriptions for visual artwork. Some users have even experimented with feeding Deepseek R2 a concept and having it generate a story that is later turned into a short film or novel. Its ability to draw from diverse creative inspirations makes it a valuable co-pilot for the artistic mind. Deepseek R2 is also incredibly fast. Unlike older AI models that took significant time to process complex queries, Deepseek R2 operates at impressive speeds, delivering near-instant responses with high accuracy. This makes it particularly useful for real-time applications, such as financial market analysis, where even a few seconds of delay can lead to massive differences in decision-making. Another fascinating aspect of Deepseek R2 is its training methodology. While most AI models rely solely on supervised learning, Deepseek R2 integrates reinforcement learning from human feedback, RLHF, to ensure it continues improving over time. This means the model is constantly refining its responses based on real user interactions, becoming smarter and more aligned with human expectations as it evolves. Deepseek R2 has also been tested for its ability to detect and explain logical fallacies. This means it can analyze a piece of text, identify faulty reasoning, and even suggest ways to correct the argument. This has profound implications for education, debate training, and even AI-assisted legal analysis, where understanding logical consistency is critical. Perhaps one of the most mind-blowing aspects of Deepseek R2 is its potential in scientific discovery. AI-assisted research has already made groundbreaking contributions to areas like drug discovery and climate modeling, and Deepseek R2 is poised to push those boundaries even further. Researchers are experimenting with using the model to analyze genetic data, predict chemical reactions, and even generate hypotheses for scientific testing. Finally, Deepseek R2 has a built-in ethical alignment mechanism that makes it one of the safest AI models to interact with. Unlike older models that could sometimes generate harmful or biased responses, Deepseek R2 has been rigorously trained to recognize ethical concerns, filter out inappropriate content, and prioritize accuracy and fairness. This ensures that the AI remains a responsible tool, whether it's being used for education, business, or entertainment. As AI continues to evolve, Deepseek R2 remains at the forefront of innovation, offering exciting new possibilities across multiple industries, whether you're a programmer looking for a debugging assistant, a student searching for in-depth research help, or a creative mind-seeking inspiration. Deepseek R2 provides a fascinating glimpse into the future of artificial intelligence. The possibilities are endless, and with each new update, Deepseek R2 continues to prove why it's one of the most impressive AI models ever created. Now let's talk about efficiency. AI models can be resource intensive, but Deepseek R2 is optimized for performance. It processes information faster and requires fewer computational resources compared to similar-sized models, making it more accessible to a wider audience. This means businesses, researchers, and independent developers can integrate Deepseek R2 into their workflows without worrying about excessive costs. One key aspect that deserves more attention is Deepseek R2's multilingual capabilities. Unlike many AI models that perform significantly better in English but struggle with other languages, Deepseek R2 has demonstrated impressive proficiency in multiple languages. Whether it's generating fluent translations, answering questions in different dialects, or understanding complex queries in non-English texts, This model breaks down language barriers in a way that few AI systems have managed before. The model's ability to handle multi-turn conversations is another highlight. Have you ever used an AI that seemed to forget what you said just a few messages ago? Deepseek R2 significantly reduces context loss, meaning it remembers and builds upon previous interactions. This makes it incredibly useful for long-form conversations, tutoring, brainstorming, and customer support applications. Another underappreciated feature of Deepseek R2 is its adaptability for scientific research. AI-assisted research is becoming more prominent, and Deepseek R2 is particularly adept at parsing complex academic texts, summarizing research papers, and even assisting in hypothesis generation. Scientists working in AI ethics, biology, chemistry, and even theoretical physics are finding innovative ways to use AI like Deepseek R2 to accelerate their work, making discoveries faster and more accessible. Beyond research, Deepseek R2's analytical capabilities extend into financial modeling and economic forecasting. Traders, financial analysts, and economists can use it to predict market trends, evaluate risk factors, and provide detailed insights on historical data patterns. This is crucial for businesses looking to make data-driven decisions with greater confidence. Now, let's talk about real-world applications. From assisting content creators with generating high-quality articles, scripts, and marketing copy to helping students and researchers with complex problem-solving, Deepseek R2 has broad potential. Financial analysts can use it for data interpretation, businesses can leverage it for automated reporting, and even healthcare professionals can benefit from AI-driven insights for research and diagnostics. But what makes Deepseek R2 truly special is its balance between intelligence and usability. It doesn't just deliver raw data or robotic responses. It understands intent, adapts to different user needs, and provides contextual responses that feel natural and engaging. This bridges the gap between AI and human-like interactions, making AI tools more reliable than ever before. So, how does Deepseek R2 compare to models like GPT-4 or Claude? While all these models excel in different areas, Deepseek R2 shines in efficiency, accuracy, and its ability to maintain coherent long-term conversations. Its fine-tuned architecture gives it an edge in programming-related tasks, reducing errors in code completion and improving debugging capabilities. Deepseek R2 also stands out in creative applications. Unlike other AI models that sometimes produce stiff or overly structured creative writing, this model excels at generating compelling stories, poetry, and unique perspectives on abstract topics. Writers and artists leveraging AI for brainstorming will find Deepseek R2 an incredible tool for unlocking new ideas and perspectives. Deepseek R2's ability to analyze vast amounts of data also makes it valuable for journalism and investigative reporting. With the ability to fact-check claims, summarize long articles, and cross-reference multiple sources, it provides journalists with a tool to speed up research while maintaining accuracy. In a world overwhelmed by information, this kind of AI support can be transformative. Of course, no AI model is perfect, and Deepseek R2 is no exception. There are still areas to improve, such as expanding its knowledge base beyond its training data and enhancing its adaptability to niche topics. However, the strides it has made in reducing hallucinations and improving logical reasoning put it ahead of many competitors. So, what does this mean for the future of AI? With models like Deepseek R2 pushing boundaries, we're getting closer to AI that can truly function as an intelligent assistant, capable of deep reasoning and problem solving across multiple domains. As AI continues to evolve, we can expect even more refined models, better personalization, and tools that seamlessly integrate into our daily lives. The future of artificial intelligence is evolving at an incredible pace, and it's an exciting time to be part of this journey. If you're just as fascinated by AI as I am, make sure to stay engaged and continue exploring its endless possibilities. By following advancements like Deepseek R2, we can witness firsthand how AI is transforming industries, improving efficiency, and expanding creative boundaries. Don't forget to engage with the AI community by sharing your thoughts, ideas, and feedback. AI thrives on collaboration, and your input helps shape the future of intelligent systems. If you're eager to learn more and stay updated, hit that subscribe button, Join the conversation and be part of the innovation. The future is being built today. Let's explore it together.